Some cars are not just vehicles. They are rolling sculptures, mechanical masterpieces, and financial investments wrapped in carbon fibre. The world's most exclusive hypercars exist in numbers so small that even billionaires struggle to acquire them. Waiting lists close before the car is announced. Prices reach 8 figures before options are added. And once they are gone forever. These are the million-dollar hypercars you cannot buy. 1. Bugatti La Voiture Noire. $18.7 million. The most expensive new car ever sold when it was unveiled at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. La Voiture Noire, French for the black car, was a one-of-one creation, built as a modern tribute to the legendary Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, one of the most beautiful cars ever made. Beneath its impossibly elegant black carbon fibre body sits the quad-turbocharged 8.0-litre W16 engine from the Chiron, producing 1,500 horsepower. The buyer was rumoured to be a prominent Volkswagen Group executive, though Bugatti never officially confirmed the identity. By the time it was revealed at Geneva, the car had already been sold. The price, including taxes, reportedly exceeded $18.7 million, making it the most expensive car transaction in modern automotive history. 2. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. $28 million. 3 were made. All 3 were sold before a single photograph was released publicly. The Rolls-Royce Boat Tail represents the ultimate expression of the British manufacturer's coach-building tradition. Bespoke cars created to the exact specifications of individual clients with no catalogue, no standard options, and no price list. Each boat tail took 4 years to create. The design was inspired by the golden age of yacht racing, sleek, elongated, and breathtakingly beautiful. The rear deck opens like a hosting station, revealing a champagne cooler, a parasol, and custom tableware designed specifically for each owner. At approximately $28 million per example, the boat tail is not a car you buy. It is a commission you receive if Rolls-Royce decides you are worthy of one. 3. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. $17.5 million. Horacio Pagani built 3 examples of the Zonda HP Barchetta to celebrate his 60th birthday. He kept one for himself, which tells you everything you need to know about how special this car is. The other 2 were sold to existing Pagani customers at approximately $17.5 million each. The Barchetta is a roadster. No roof, no windscreen, minimal bodywork between the driver and the outside world. Its 7.3-litre naturally aspirated Mercedes-AMG 512 produces 800 horsepower. The entire car weighs barely over a ton. Driving it is described by those who have experienced it as the most visceral and unfiltered automotive experience available at any price. It is also one of the most visually extraordinary objects ever created. 4. Ferrari Monza SP1 and SP2, $1.75 million. Ferrari's Icona series reimagines classic Ferrari racing heritage for the modern era. The Monza SP1, a single-seat Barchetta, and SP2, a 2-seat version, were produced in extremely limited numbers for Ferrari's most loyal and long-standing clients. A 6.5-litre naturally aspirated V12 producing 809 horsepower powers both variants. The car has no windscreen. Ferrari offers a small wind deflector as a concession to aerodynamics, meaning the driving experience is as close to piloting a vintage racing car as modern safety standards allow. Ferrari did not publicly announce how many were built, but estimates suggest fewer than 500 across both variants. All were allocated to existing Ferrari collectors before the cars were unveiled. 5. Lamborghini Sián FKP 37, $3.6 million. The Sián was Lamborghini's first electrified production car and its most exclusive. 63 examples were built, a number chosen to reference 1963, the year of Lamborghini's founding. All 63 were sold before the car was officially revealed to the public. A naturally aspirated 6.5-litre V12 combined with a 48-volt mild hybrid system produces 819 horsepower. The Sián was also significant as the first production car to use supercapacitors rather than conventional batteries for its hybrid system, a technology that provides instantaneous power delivery without the weight penalty of lithium batteries. Each example was unique, with owners given extensive personalization options through Lamborghini's Ad Personam program. 6. McLaren Elva. $1.7 million. The McLaren Elva is a car without a roof, without a windscreen, and without any of the creature comforts that make modern hypercars livable as daily transportation. It is a pure expression of speed and sensation, built for drivers who want nothing between them and the experience of driving an 804 horsepower twin, turbocharged V8 at its absolute limit. McLaren originally planned to build 399 examples, but reduced the production number to 149 to ensure exclusivity. The active air management system, a small spoiler ahead of the cockpit that deflects air over the occupants at speed, is one of the most ingenious solutions to the windscreen problem ever devised. Every example was sold directly to existing McLaren collectors. 7. Aston Martin Valkyrie. $3 million. The Valkyrie represents the closest thing to a Formula One car for the road that has ever been legally registered for public roads. Designed in collaboration with Red Bull Racing's Adrian Newey, arguably the greatest aerodynamicist in motorsport history, the Valkyrie was conceived with one goal: make a road-legal car that could theoretically lap a circuit as fast as an F1 machine. A 6.5-litre naturally aspirated Cosworth V12 producing 1,000 horsepower combined with a hybrid system brings total output to 1,160 horsepower. The car weighs approximately 1,000 kilograms. The aerodynamic downforce generated at speed approaches the car's own weight. Only 150 road cars were produced. All were sold to Aston Martin's most valued customers at approximately $3 million each before production began. The cars money cannot buy. What unites all of these cars beyond their extraordinary prices is the impossibility of simply walking into a dealership and purchasing one. They require relationships with manufacturers cultivated over years of purchases. They require being the right kind of customer, someone whose collection, whose public profile, and whose commitment to the brand meets the manufacturer's standards. In the world of the most exclusive hypercars, money is necessary, but not sufficient. You need to be the kind of person that Bugatti, Ferrari, or Rolls-Royce decides deserves one. And for most people, regardless of their bank balance, that will never be the case. These cars exist in a world where exclusivity itself is the product, and nothing makes something more desirable than the fact that you simply cannot have it.